Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Loto Lock Tuesday. Hashtag it Loto Lock Tuesday. For all the videos to do with lockout tagout locks. What are lockout tagout locks? Well, they're the locks that keep our workers safe. They lock off machinery so that someone else doesn't come along and squish you in it. That's what they do. So because of that, they have safety standards that they must adhere to in each different countries, basically a general safety standard around the world for these locks for occupational health and safety, which makes people like Master Lock make their best call and put it in a lockout tagout lock. So let's just have a little look at what we got on the desk. Okay, so let's start with the clones. We have the American 1100 series. The 1100 series is awesome. Serrated pins, serrated spools. It is a very fun pick. Clones, we have the Brinks, the True Value, put that there, the Padlock 90A Pro, solid body, taking out the frogs, the Mako. All of these locks are a lot of fun to pick. The next one that I really enjoy picking is the 7240 Avis range. This is a very nice indeed. Tiny pins, but subtle feedback and on a gnarly angle, but once you get it, ooh, that's a lot of fun. We have the Master Locks. This was the first one I ever picked. Thank you, Sure Earl. Miss you, mate. Comes in different colours. And we also have, this is the 410 and this is the 411. As you can see the difference. Why is there such a difference? Follow the series and you will find out why that difference is there. We also have the vintage 225 from Lockwood. This is a very heavy bodied lock. Still in use today, surprisingly. The modern version is the 214, the 215, 40 from Lockwood. This is a beautiful lock. Still wish so I can get that one open. We have the Padlock 410 Pro, which was developed by Padlock to specifically rival the Master Lock 410, which is awesome pick. The solid body of that I've already shown you, which is the 90A Pro. What else do we have? We have the vintage Lockwood 232. This is now morphed into the 332. And if I can get hold of one of those, I will show you the difference. We also have vintage stuff, old stuff. Locks from different countries that are in use. Danger. We have this, the Avis 7440. Do not approach this lock with thoughts that you will snap it open because it has all standard pins. This one will give you a hard time and a half. A lot of fun to pick. Have this being a lock, which is quite different to any other body that's out there. We've got, surprisingly, the number 3 Master Lock. This is the commercial lockout tagout lock. Also, the standard number 3 is used as a lockout tagout lock in America. we've got the Abus Brady's. Abus makes Brady locks. Look at the difference of these two lockout tagout locks. One of them, I think this one or this one, has a very interesting way you have to gut it. It is guttable. Have I gone through everyone? No. Well, let's check out this big pile here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, this year's Lockout Tagout Lock Tuesday, I have a co-host for 2023. My co-host is the Sadistic Picker. Thanks very much for coming on board, mate. Really appreciate it. I can't always do Lockout Tagout Lock videos every Tuesday. Life gets in my way, as it does with everyone. So some days I can't do it. Also, I haven't been picking for ages. I would be lucky to get into my 232 at the moment. Sadistic Picker is a awesome lockout tagout lock picker and loves picking them. Has a lot of them and just really enjoys the lockout tagout locks. So welcome the Sadistic Picker to the hashtag Lockout Tagout Lock Tuesday series. Hashtag it Loto Lock Tuesday. I'll get it right eventually. Thank you greatly for coming on board to do this series for 2023 with me. Anything to do with lockout tagout locks, whether you pick them, show them off, gut them, explore them, compare them, whatever, film them on site in action, anything to do with lockout tagout locks, hashtag it Loto Lock Tuesday. I will gather up all the hashtags, stick them in a playlist called Loto Lock Tuesday 2023 on my channel, and once a month Sadistic Picker and I will go through the videos, and this tower of brand new Master Lock 410s, one of them could be yours. I am going to send one out each month anywhere in the world. All you have to do is start picking your lockout tagout locks on camera. Hashtag it Loto Lock Tuesday. We want to encourage as many new pickers to go for those picks with the lockout tagout locks. They are an awesome pick. They are a milestone pick. I will be going through explaining why these locks are milestone picks, apart from the high tolerances that they need to be made with because of occupational health and safety. Master Lock. This is the best call Master Lock makes. The tolerances are really good. Anything else they make has sloppy tolerances, as you know. Why can't they put this core in everyone else? We will explore that and possibly ask Master Lock the question ourselves. Lockout tagout locks. They are awesome. A lot of fun to pick. A lot of fun to explore. Join us on the series for 2023. Welcome the Sadistic Picker in. Let's get this running through the lock sport community. We want more people picking lockout tagout locks. There's more lockout tagout locks. These are just the ones I've grabbed off my shelf. I've got more in the cupboards to explore. Thanks for watching, everyone. There is a link in the description below for the Sadistic Picker. Check them out. Do all the good stuff so you don't miss their Lockout Tagout Lock Tuesday videos. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.